So friends, now I want to show you how to make chroma using a key in this video switcher. So to make a chroma key, I have to use any key. You know that there are 6 keys are there, key 1, key 2 and flex key 1 to flex key 4. So in 6 key are there, but you can make chroma key any one of them, using any one of them. Suppose I am making chroma key here using key 1. So double tap the key 1, then key 1 menu will open, you can see here, and from using the rotary switch have to go insert source, and the type will be bus. For making chroma, the bus type will be bus, and insert signal will be chroma fill. You have to using the rotary switch, there must be option chroma fill, yes, and you can see the source signal will be automatically chroma key. So here keyer setup is ready, but now I have to select the source from where the chroma input signal is coming, but before doing that you have to take key 1 in preview, so you can see the changes in preview. So for that, pressing the background button, pressing the key 1 button, both are on, so you can see whatever you are doing in preview window. What I am saying that now I have to select the source signal input, chroma input. So for that, here you have to press menu and the CK. You can see in the display the CK menu is open, and here you have to go auto CK. Here you can see in the under the signal input 1 is selected. Here you have to in this area you have to select the sources from where your chroma signal is coming. You can see in my multi-view, actually there is no video input is coming from chroma as a chroma signal. So I am here using still 1. I have load a JPG file, still file to still 1 with chroma background, green background, to make this chroma. So I have to source here is still 1, because still 1 is my chroma signal. Yes, still 1. You can see still 1 in preview, you can see, because here preview is on, key 1 preview is on, that's why you can see, and signal is selected. Now go to the next page. In next page you can see there is an option cursor should be on, and when the cursor is on, here CK is blinking, it means the cursor is on. And when cursor is on, you can see in the multi-view there is a cursor. Using the joystick you can move the cursor to select the appropriate color which you want to remove. Suppose this is the point I have selected to remove the background. So to remove the background, here in this panel below the joystick there is a button, just press it and it will sound beep. Now you can see in my multi-view monitor the green background is removed. So chroma is done, but don't forget to turn off the cursor from here. Yes, cursor is changed. So now you can take in PGM using the cut button, and you can also change the background just from here. So in this way you can make chroma key. And one thing I also want to remind you, that in this switcher there is only chroma engine, so only one chroma you can make in any of these 6 keys. Using any of these 6 keys you can make one chroma. If you want to make another one chroma, it is not possible because there is only one chroma engine in this video switcher.